to my channel. I know it has been so long since I've recorded anything. It's been since me and Bryn actually did the apply your makeup with the opposite hand challenge, and that's already been since like Thanksgiving. So if you would like to see how I achieved this Valentine's Day glam look, please keep on watching.
This year has been the best and the worst year right here. It's all up.
Guys, so we're gonna be starting off using my Milk primer, the Blur Stick. As you already know, this is my favorite primer. So I'm just gonna apply that right all over my face. So as you already know, I'm gonna be doing a full Valentine's Day glam look. It's gonna be a very bold eye. I'm gonna be using the Modern Renaissance palette. Obviously, if you do not have this palette, you can use colors similar to the ones I'm using. You don't need to have this palette to achieve this look. Like I said, I'm using the Modern Renaissance palette. It looks like this. So the first shade I'm going to go in with is going to be this color right here, using my Morphe R35 brush, and I'm just going to apply that to my lid as my transition shade. You obviously want to make sure that's blended really nicely. I know the funny thing is, I actually already filmed this look like a month ago with my friend Bryn, and it ended up being a total shit show. So here I am a month later re-recording without Bryn, but her and I have another video coming for you. It's gonna be freaking great. So for the next color I'm gonna use right in my crease, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the Venetian Red, which is right there. And I'm just going to apply this in my crease, but not all the way. And I'm gonna bring it down onto my lid. And for this, I am applying with my Morphe R37. My Morphe M433 brush, I'm going to go ahead and go in with the shade Love Letter right there. And I'm just going to apply that to my lid and outer corner of my eye.
The good and all the bad, I know. Remind me of everything that we had, I know. Right now, it's so clear.
Alright, so now I'm going to go with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm using the shade Fair Neutral. It's a little lighter than I would normally go, but it still works just fine. It doesn't make me too pale. And I'm just going to apply that right to my lid, just like this. I'm just gonna use my finger and kind of tap that into my eyelid.
The good and all the bad, I know. Remind me of everything.
So once you're done applying the concealer to your eyelid, I'm gonna go in with my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. And I'm just going to spray a flat brush, just like that. I'm going to go in with my Vermeer shade right here. And with the side of the brush you just sprayed, go ahead and pat that right on your eyelid. And the reason I spray my brush is because it gives the color a little bit more pigment. I'm gonna go back in with Love Letter again. Kind of blend that together.
I'm listening to the sound advice. You spoke from the heart. Just be who you are.
Now I just got a brush that I haven't had any dark colors on, and I'm just kind of blending it a little better. So today is Super Bowl Sunday, and we just got done watching the game. That shit was so intense. Like, I'm not really a football fan, but I was like sitting on the couch, I'm like, oh shit. Like, I did not want the Patriots to win again. Like, Jesus Christ, it's been like a fucking repeat series for the past 5 years. So the fact that the Eagles won and it's their first Super Bowl, that's fucking awesome. So congrats to them. So now I'm gonna use my Buxom Big T's mascara, and I am going to apply that to my top lashes. I decided that I want to go and put some of the Stila Smoky Storm glitter on my eyelid over the Vermeer color that we used. We'll go ahead and use that same flat brush that we used to apply Vermeer with. Just kind of blend that out a little. Look, that made it pop so much more. Let me know in the comments down below if you want me to do a more natural Valentine's Day look for you, or date night look. It doesn't necessarily have to be for Valentine's Day. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my foundation. I'm gonna be using, of course, my favorite, the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. This is still, no matter how many different foundations I try, I love the Josie Maran and I love the Milk, but my favorite will always be Too Faced Born This Way. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on the top of my hand, 3 pumps. I'm going to use my Morphe M439 brush, just like that. I'm gonna take it and dab it just all over my face.
It's been a long winter, spring's getting.
I also use it to clean up my eyeshadow mess down here. Although I know I could do that when I'm baking. Oh, I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that all into my face. I'm gonna drag that down a little.
This year has been the best.
So now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer again, and I'm going to apply that on my nose, my chin, my under eyes, and my forehead. I'm going for that really full coverage look. So you'll look a little something like this afterwards if you do go for the full coverage look as well. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Real Techniques Beauty Sponge, this orange one right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and pounce this right on my face. You're not gonna drag because it'll wipe all the product that you already have on off, and we don't want that. You're just gonna pounce, pounce, pounce until it's all blended into your skin. Alright, so there's that. Now for bronzer, I'm going in with my Tarte or Park Avenue Princess. And I'm going to be using my Morphe R2 brush. It looks just like that. Go ahead and just do that. You guys, I haven't worn makeup in 2 weeks because I've been so sick. And I honestly feel like I forgot how to apply it. Is that normal? Does that happen? Forget how to apply makeup? Now I'm going to go in with my translucent powder. It's from Kat Von D. It's that right there, the Lock It setting powder. I'm actually going to go in with my damp beauty sponge again and just kind of set and clean up the messes I made. So I'm gonna apply that right under my eyes. If I haven't told you already, my skin is very oily, so I'm gonna apply that right all over my nose so it can absorb some of that, and my makeup will last all night. I usually let this sit about 3 to 5 minutes. I'm gonna apply some right here on my forehead where my eyebrows crease. I am using the Duo White Clear Lash Glue. I got this from Sephora. It's like $10. So I just applied a small layer. So now that those are applied, I'm going to take this IT Cosmetics brush right here and wipe away all the baking that I have on, the translucent powder. Wipe that all the way off my face. So now that the bake is gone, I'm going to go in with a blush. I'm using the Becca x Jaclyn Hill palette. This right here, I don't think they sell it anymore. It looks just like this. I'm going to use this color. I'm going to apply that to the apple of my cheeks. Now I'm going to go back in with another flat eyeshadow brush. I'm going to go back in with the color Vermeer. I'm going to get a little bit of that. I'm going to add it to the corner of my eye.
It's all uphill from here. This year has been the best and the worst year.
I would definitely rock this on a date night, Valentine's Day, truly honestly like on any given day. Now I'm going in with my Morphe M510 brush. It looks just like that. I'm gonna spray my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray on it. I'm going to use my Jeffree Star Cosmetics Manny MUA collab. Manny Mua collab. Eclipse, the Skin Frost palette right here. Going to apply that. Now I'm gonna apply that to the tip of my nose, a little bit right there, to my Cupid's bow. You spoke from the heart, just be who you are. For the lips, I'm going to be using my Jeffree Star Cosmetics shade in Mannequin. I do outline my lips a little bit. We're gonna give that a minute to dry. So now that that is dry, I'm gonna go ahead and apply this gloss right over it. Yeah, it's all uphill from here. Now that that's done, I'm going to set my face using my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. Alright guys, so there's my finished look. Let me know what you think down in the comments. I hope you like it. I really love it. I love that I ended up putting the Stila glitter right on my eyelids. I feel like it made my eyes pop just so much more. I think it's a cute, fun, flirty look. Like I said, if you want me to do a more natural look, go ahead and let me know in my comments down below, and I can go ahead and film that video for you guys. So with that being said, don't forget to like and subscribe, share this video with all your friends, and we will see you later. Bye, happy Valentine's Day. My name is Alyssa.
I just feel like you're like a little unsure of what you're saying.
I'm always unsure of what I'm saying.